Okay. It's going. Say something.
Shalom and welcome. Since I moved back to Seattle again, I've been living on a boat. So everyone back home can see how I live. Come on. Get into here. Then we just go onward down the ramp.
Whoop.
And we admire all the boats. These are full of yachts.
One yacht each.
That's my dishwasher. And here is my residence. And the towel Diane dropped in the water this morning.
I didn't mean to.
This actually doesn't work. Alright. You make it?
Yeah.
Oh, big. So it's a little dirty in here because Diana's been here.
Yes, and I'm a slob.
Come on in, Diana.
I'm working on it.
So usually there's more room than this, but I have storage under these two and that one. That seat. And I have John's silverware. And in here I keep all my cleaning stuff. Trash can, laundry detergent.
I slept here on my floor.
Diana slept on the floor for 3 nights. 2 nights in here. We'll go in there in a moment. I have a fridge behind my dirty laundry basket. Every time I need to get something from the fridge. Got a stereo, place for my computer.
Go show your bed.
Yeah, let's go see my bed. Okay, so how the bed. We sort of got a. Oh. You come into here. Come on in. Well, these used to be windows, but I covered them with a leg warmer. So
You're blurry. There we go.
So the light doesn't come in. And I've got pillows with leopard print. Yeah, just for keep a bunch of stuff. Oh, and then here, this is my heater. That's a heater, and then there's a poster I stole from a park. Well honored. And then I have 2 dresser drawers. And then,
Oh, watch my food.
oh, sorry.
Ow.
And then this closes, so I have a little bit of privacy. Not really. And then in here I have storage for sweatshirts and jackets and stuff like that. And then on top I just have more pants and stuff. I have to clean that. But yeah, I just got this at Goodwill. And it actually works.
Ah.
And I like it. I would get a bigger one if I could. Or when I can, or whatever. We'll see what happens.
Alright.
So?
Let's go out so I can see the opposite way.
Oh, we're not done yet?
No. I'm gonna follow you out.
We're gonna continue recording?
No.
Oh. Well, stay tuned.
Go.
Oh. You're in my way.
Sorry.
Where are we going?
Just here. Okay, now you can say goodbye.
Bye, Mama. And Daddy. And Grandma.